What is up, North? I welcome you to the final installment of the hookup. Before I get to the announcements, I have one very important thing to say, is that no matter what anyone tells you, nobody, including the Patriots, are perfect. Announcement number one and last announcement. Daybreak is closer than you could even imagine. You can almost smell it, I know, but I hope you don't because it means your clothes are dirty. Here's the thing, next Wednesday is the last Wednesday to sign up, but if you want to have a guaranteed roommate request or t-shirt size, I need you to sign up tonight. Even if you can't pay tonight, sign up tonight. Otherwise, you might get stuck in a room with some chumps and have a shirt that is far too big for you. And we don't want that, do we? No. So sign up for Daybreak if you haven't already. It's gonna be a crazy good time. Yo! And now, the exciting, mostly anticipated conclusion.
I don't even know what that... You didn't even finish that sentence.
I know. I know. The exciting and most anticipated conclusion to the hookup.